today we are going to unbox a power bank from Belkin. So as you can see, it has got 10,000 mAh battery capacity and it has got two USB output ports which gives out 5 volt and 2.4 ampere output, so you can charge your devices fastly and quickly. And one input micro USB port for charging the power bank. It also supports 2.4 ampere input, so you can also charge this power bank faster. It can charge your devices multiple times, up to 3 times faster. Okay, so this is the outer packing of the power bank. These are the devices which you can charge with this power bank. And this one's color is silver, as you can see here. Okay guys, without wasting much of time, let's get to unboxing this. Okay, here we can see the power bank. Okay, so this is the power bank. Okay, so here are the two USB ports which you can charge your devices. It gives out 2.4 ampere and 5 volt as output, and you can see this is the micro input port which you can charge your power bank by connecting to an wall adapter. It feels so premium to hold in your hand. Okay, so this is the power on button. You have to press it twice to turn this on. Okay, you can see 4 LED bars here. This represents the charge that the battery has. Okay, let me turn it on. Okay, so right now it has got around 3 bars of charge left. Okay, so this print includes how you can charge. Okay, you can charge your power bank either by using a wall adapter or a car charger. And you have two USB ports to charge multiple devices, either your tablet or multiple phones. Okay, this shows how to turn your power bank on. Or you can turn it on by simply inserting a USB here and it will automatically turn on. The price of this power bank is around 3,000 rupees. You can buy it online. It is available in Amazon. I hope you guys have understand my video. So for more videos, please like, share and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell icon so that you guys will get updates from me as soon as I upload my videos. So until next time guys, take care guys, bye bye.